they're not opening up until 11. It's some kind of summer thing or something. But the guy just came out with a drink or two from here, and he got his drink. So I'm trying to figure out what's going on and what time they're gonna open. It is now 10:53, but the drive-thru isn't open, and I'm not getting out to go get anything to drink or eat. So we're gonna sit here until they open. I won't get to my destination until 12 o'clock. Why? Okay, they're all doing something right now. That you might have a look to know what that is. Well, I guess I'm gonna sit here. Here's the thing, it says, look. It says, we will be opening at 11 a.m. today so that we may celebrate summer with our crew. Y'all, I circled this thing 2 times and they won't take my order. But the guy was in front of me, well, he was behind me. He pulled up and they took his order. Come on now, tell me what it is. Took them forever. And my order was so simple. And so what he got. Maybe I could have just been a little impatient, maybe, but still, like, I'll come back to you guys whenever I am probably to my aunt's house real quick to put the packages, and then I have to meet my cousin for the business meeting. So I'll catch you guys on the highway. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Thursday. Just getting off work. I'm headed to the Walmart because I gotta get a couple of things for the day. I'm supposed to go to my cousin's house in a little bit, but I was gonna give him a little time to wake up because usually I would be there about 6:30, but I'm not gonna do him like that today. So I'm gonna spend a little time at Walmart real quick, buy a couple of things, look at some hair products because I have to go wash my hair today. Y'all, I made a list of everything that I need to do today, that's been slacking, and I want to see how much of it I can accomplish today. But I have to do my monthly goal setting video for July because that's due by the 1st. So, but it's gonna go live on the 1st, so I definitely have to go film that and get that up to y'all today. And then I have to edit the vlog from yesterday, make the intro and outro of the prepping video. I was gonna try to give y'all that on Friday as well, but I'll just put it up for a I guess Saturday video, because on Sunday I'm gonna upload my Sunday reset, like where I clean up and wash my sheets on my bed, mop the floors. Basically, I'm gonna be cleaning up my house, maybe my hair, refreshing my hair, stuff like that. So that's what that video is for, and make my and then I have to cook, so I have to do another meal prepping video. So I have a lot of stuff to film this weekend, and I don't feel like I have enough time. Like, my weeks wind down so fast. I just feel like time is just of the essence sometimes, but I'll be okay. This is what I want. This is what I've been praying for, so that's what I got. So, but yeah, I look crazy by the head, but we're gonna go get my hair washed today in deep condition and blow dried. I want to do a style in it. I'll see, because I just brought hair for the style that I'm going to do, and we're not gonna waste money. Okay, we're not gonna waste money at all, and the style is so cute. So yeah, I'll catch you guys whenever I get to the Walmart, because I feel like I'm really, 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 really dark, and I know it's still morning time, early morning. So yeah, I'll catch you That's when I get to Walmart, okay? To Walmart and they're not even stocked. They're not on the shelf. Why? I'm gonna have to go to another Walmart to get something that I need, and it's not even at that Walmart. What? Well, yeah, I am hungry though. I don't know what should I do. I am starving. So starving. I am so hungry. Chick-fil-A is right there. I think I'm going to Chick-fil-A to get me something to eat. I am hungry, y'all. I don't know if they have like English muffins. Give me a sandwich. I am hungry. But this is usually my work routine when I get off work. I usually 9 times out of 10 go to the grocery store, because once I'm in, and I don't go anywhere once I'm in the house. If I can help it. If I can help it, I don't go anywhere after I leave the house. Okay, what else do they have for a healthy breakfast? I know nothing's ever healthy in this world because it's all processed unless you're growing it out of the ground yourself. That's goals for me, y'all. I want to have my own home garden in my own home on some land. I want to harvest my food, gather my food, store the food, and eat it when it's time to eat it in season, you know? But I'm here. I don't know what I want. It's just everything has a biscuit to it or a bun to it. I guess I'll just get some hash browns.
Hi, welcome to Chick-fil-A. May I have the name for the order?
Tara, T-A-R-A.
Alright, what can I get started for you, Tara?
Can I just get 2 orders of hash browns with a Chick-fil-A sauce?
So 2 orders of hash browns and Chick-fil-A sauce. Anything else?
Large water.
A large water. What else?
That's it.
I'm sorry?
That's all.
Alright, it's going to be 301 at the window. Thank you.
Alright, thank you. It was very cheap, but I'm starving. I don't want to get rid of my ones. So we're going to give her a 20. I guess I try to call my cousin and see what he's doing, or if he's up or not. I see if I need to head there. I have so much to do. I want to have it all done by 12. No later than 1, so I can go to sleep from like 1 until like 8:30 or 9, or probably 8:30. Hello. Good morning. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You too, thank you. Alright, gang. My stomach is literally. I'm trying to wait to give him some time to wake up because I have to get the candle thing going. So tomorrow's the 1st. He wants this stuff done by the 20th. I want to have the candles because I'm still figuring out the wicks. So I need to figure out, which I didn't do that today. I need to figure out which wicks work with, not wooden, because the wooden, it's not working right. I'm going to have to figure out the wick that goes with it and see. You know, I didn't get no Chick-fil-A sauce. I didn't get no pink food. I didn't get nothing. I think I wanted hash browns with just hash browns. No, I wanted some freaking sauce with it. Why would you not give me my freaking Chick-fil-A sauce? There's none. Okay, take my energy off. I try not to. My energy levels, try not to. I'm glad I didn't leave because I need my Chick-fil-A sauce, girl. I hate when you tell them everything you need at the register and then you don't get it. Like, it's not in my car nowhere. It's not, I'm trying to see if I took it out too fast or what, but I didn't get my Chick-fil-A sauce. My Chick-fil-A sauce. I need my Chick-fil-A sauce, girl. But y'all just frozen. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Then she give you order all politely, but you should get my order though. See my sauce. Can I get my Chick-fil-A sauce, please? Yeah. I didn't get any. I asked for it. Thank you, ma'am. You too. I just don't like going back in line for anything. I hate it. Anyways. And then they all looking at you like you done something wrong. No! I didn't do anything wrong. They're trying to figure out what was her order. My Chick-fil-A sauce. People. Yeah, I never got what I was talking about. Y'all, I'm getting cranky because I'm hungry. Let me eat, alright? I'll come back to y'all in a minute. Okay. So good.